everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NG. And in this series of our Apex Trigger interview based real time scenarios, we are having a new scenario with us today, that is write a trigger to update the account's description with the opportunity name which is having the highest amount. So basically, we need to look for the opportunity which has the highest amount to it, and then update its related accounts description with that opportunity's name. So let's get started with this. We'll first create the Apex trigger. Let's give its name as highest opportunity amount description trigger. You can give any name as per your requirement or as per you feel like. I'll click enter and yeah. So here is the trigger. Now what I'll do is I'll assign the object as opportunity because the action will be performed on the opportunity. Whenever the opportunity is being inserted or updated or any other action is being performed on the opportunity, then only we will check for its amount and then we can move forward. So now the event will take as after insert, after update, after delete, and after undelete. So we'll keep all the actions as of now. Then let's have a list of ID as account IDs. We are creating a list of ID here only because we are having two different types of operation, that is delete and undelete. And it will be using different lists, that is trigger.new and trigger.old. So we'll check for if trigger is after, then please go inside and check if trigger is of insert operation or is it of update operation. Sorry. Update or undelete operation. We are not mentioning the delete operation because delete operation utilizes the trigger.old list, because after delete there will be no records present, so there is no sense of the trigger.new list. Sorry. So yes, after this we will be going over the list of opportunity. For opportunity, we'll go over the trigger.new list and add its account IDs to this account IDs list, that is op.account ID. Similarly, I'll just copy paste this and now we'll check for the delete operation and we'll change the list to trigger.old, and then again we will add the account ID to the account IDs list. Now we will pass this account IDs to the handler. So for that, first we have to create the this trigger handler. And as we have mentioned earlier as well, that for best practices purpose, we always have the main logic in the separate handler instead of in the trigger itself. So we'll create a new handler class, so it will be create apex class and we'll give name as highest opportunity amount description trigger. Let's hope that it will take the whole name. Okay, yeah. I'll just remove any wordings from here. Okay, that's fine. Handler, I'll take this. Now our class is created. We'll remove the constructor from here. Now I'll write the method, that is public static void, and let's give the method name as update account description, and it will be receiving a list of IDs. So let's get the IDs. So that's it. Now we will deploy this so we can access this handler inside of the trigger. It is deployed. Now we'll come back here and we'll call this. First we will check if we are having any account IDs to go through. So if this list is not empty, then only call this method of this handler, and please pass the list of account IDs to this. So this is done, the trigger logic, and I'll go through this again at the end, but for now you can follow up with me. Now we'll go to the handler. We have received the account IDs. After receiving the account IDs, we will first declare a map of ID and opportunity, because one account can be having multiple opportunities. So we will create a account ID and opportunity map. So we'll give name it as account opportunity map. Let's define this. So this is defined. Now what we will do, we will fetch the list of opportunities all which are related to this account IDs. So let's give this list name as related opportunity. So let's select ID, and let's give all the fields which we need: account ID, amount, and I guess that's it. Let's see if we will be needing any other field. We will type it here. So we need to get it from opportunity, where the account ID lies in this account IDs list, and amount is not equals to null, then please order this list by amount in the descending order. So this will make our work very easier to have the list ordered in the descending order for amount, because we want to get the highest opportunity amount, so we can get just the topmost record and our work will be done. So here is the list. Now we'll go over through the list. So for loop we will put opportunity, and we'll go over the related opportunity list, and in the map we will check if our map account of map contains key of op.account ID. We are checking if this account opportunity map does not hold any key of this particular account ID, then please add it. So we will add it. Put op.account ID, and then put the related opportunity as well. So this is opportunity as well. So this is how the map is inserted. We are having opportunities account ID and then the complete opportunity here. After this is being inserted, our map is created. Now in the map we have to go through the map. So we'll again put the loop, and in the loop we'll go through the ID. So we'll just put the account ID, and we'll go through the this map keys. So we'll go through account map key set. In this key set we are going over each account ID over this map key set, that is the list of IDs in this map we are having, and then we will be fetching the topmost record, because on the top list we are having this record, the highest amount one. So we'll store it in the opportunity, that is highest amount opportunity. Highest amount opportunity. Get this from the map get, and we will give this account ID. So please get the opportunity from this map where the account ID is this as the key and store it in this opportunity variable. So that's how we are getting the opportunity. Then next, we got the opportunity, but now we need to update the account description as well with its name. For this, we will have a list of account to be updated. Let's create that list of account, the account to update. So that is the list we have created. Now after the list is created, we will access this here and we will add our new account, that is this new account, and in this new account then we will add required field, that is ID as this account ID and description as highest opportunity name. So this is how we are updating. In the end, we will check if this list is not empty, then please update this list and our account should be updated with the description. So I'll deploy this and then I'll explain the code once again. So it is deployed. So first of all, our requirement is that when we are having an opportunity with the highest amount, we want to find that opportunity and then update the account's description with that opportunity name. So this can happen on certain action. When the opportunity is being inserted, we are creating a new opportunity, or we are creating an existing opportunity, or we are deleting an opportunity, or we are restoring a deleted opportunity. So these four actions are there, and then we will be storing. We are going through the list according to the operations or actions. We can say insert, update, or delete, or undelete. When we are going over the loop, we will check for the opportunities account ID and store it in this variable in the account IDs list, which we have defined on top here. After storing it here, we have defined a method in the separate handler class where we want to perform the whole logic and use this account IDs. So we will simply check if this list is not empty, then please pass this list to the this method of this handler. We are doing that. Now let's go to the method. Here in this method, we have received the list of ID, that is of account IDs, and then we have declared a map is of id, which is account id, and then opportunity, because one single account id can have a multiple opportunities. So we are using this map. Then we are fetching all the related opportunities. So we already have the account ids. So we have written the query like id, amount, account id. Please get all these fields from the opportunity where the account id lies in this list and amount is not null, and order this list, that is sort this list in the descending order based on the amount. So why we have done this order by, so that we need the highest amount, so we can just fetch the topmost opportunity from this list and use it. There is one more field we can add, that is the name, because it is being used here, then it will give us an error. So after this, we have fetched the related opportunity. So we will go through all this list and we will check if our map is empty. Then please fill up this map with the opportunities account ID and the related opportunity. So suppose there is first account ID it has found. So it will put that account ID, and if that account ID is having two opportunities, it will put two opportunities here. Then it will again search for, if it found the second account ID, then we'll have in second row second account ID and then its related opportunity. So that's how it works. This key parameters is always will be a unique parameter. Then we have declared a list of account to be updated because we want to update the account's description. So for that we are going through this maps IDs, that is the keys list. So we are having it here in the keys. So we are going over it using each account ID, and as in our list is ordered by amount, so we will just get the topmost. Whenever the loop is starting, we'll just get the first record that please use this account ID and give us the related opportunity and store it in this variable. After storing it in this variable, we are adding in this list a new account whose account ID should be this account ID. That is, it will update the related account record only and update the description based on this highest amount opportunity name. And then we are checking if this list is not empty, then please update this list. So that's how we are doing. Now we'll go back to the org and we'll test it out. So here you can open your linked org which is linked to your VS Studio. Then you can go for the opportunities. So I have my data set up already. You can check for that. So this is my account. In the account, I'm having three opportunities with these amount, that is 10,000, 8,000, and 5,000. So whenever I will be performing any operation, so the account description should be updated to this value, that is related of created account opportunity. So let's try to update this opportunity. I'll edit it. I'll just update the close date, then save it. Okay, so we are having an error as opportunity dot name is not being queried. I have entered it. I did not deploy. Okay, okay, I'll save this again, and it is saved. So now we'll check. We'll go to the details, and description is updated. You can, if you are not seeing the changes, you can refresh it, and then you will be able to see the changes. Now our sorry Now our update operation is performed. We will check for the insert. So I'll just enter the new, and I'll create a new highest opportunity which is having amount of 20,000 or 2 lakhs. Close date can be anything, then stage is anything, and I'll save this. Then I'll check for the accounts description again, and it should be updated. I'll just refresh this, then I'll go to the details and we'll check, and it is updated. So insert operation is also checked. Now I will check for the delete. So I will delete this highest opportunity only. Then again the description should be updated to this related op created account opportunity. So let me delete this, and then again refresh it. Go to the details and the description is updated. Now for the undelete operation, I'll just go here and go to the recycle bin, and this is my current opportunity. I'll just restore it, and then I'll go back to the account, open this account, and in details description is updated again. So our code is working completely fine. We are able to update the account's description with the opportunity which is having the highest amount. So this is how you can achieve it. And there is one more approach I can think of. I'll cover that in next video. So this is the most simplest way we can achieve this scenario with, but there could be a follow-up question as well, and then that follow-up question will be coming as a part of will be up in will be in next video, so you can check that out. And if you like it, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you. Stay tuned.